up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in your life will
Hi.
oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star.
Good job. What did the sheep say? Yeah. Really? Can you say hi to the cow? Cow saying hi to you.
That's so funny, Nikolai. You have to do the second. The next leg.
You find me somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you.
Anybody other kids?
Here we go.
Okay, so you think yeah, no. Dinner separated. Very sensitive, baby.
Think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like
Can you get a pumpkin for Daddy? You like that one? Can you lift it up? Pick it up.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, if you can't pick it up, can't take it. Pumpkin? Is that a pumpkin? You like it? Yeah, should we carve that up tonight?
The dreams that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?